drone there, wigging me out. So I'm here at the abandoned hospital. I'll find a way in. Man, I love nature. I can already tell this is going to be awesome. Nice to meet ya. This is incredible. Ugh. Snakes living here. You know me. Imagine what would be in there. If I get bit by a snake, what am I going to do? I'll show you my new step. Ugh. With every breath you take, every step you take, I'll be watching you. No, I'm joking, but wow, wait until you see this. Wait until you see this, guys. And then I'd end up going to dig into my bank account even more. The drone there, wigging me out. I think I'm in trouble. I think the rangers are up me. I think that's what that drone was. Probably a massive fine. The drone was weird.